Today I had the girls help me refinish our companionway doors.
That's really sharp. Okay.
There must have been 20 layers of varnish that was beginning to peel in spots.
Pull it towards you a little bit. Like that.
It's actually quite difficult to find projects that we can involve the girls in at this point. So many things require more skill or brute strength than either of them are capable of. So even though this project is not essential for going cruising, it allows them to be involved and do something important.
Hola, bird.
A little dusty. Looks pretty good, huh, Denali? Yep. Those doors look awesome, don't they?
Doors.
Sometimes after a big storm, the water around our boat is filled with trash.
Well, I don't need to worry about the white things. Those are like fish guts.
Yeah.
Today it was really bad.
Ugh, what's it filled with?
I don't know, but Abigail's got a garbage bag.
What is it? Oh, that's disgusting. Yeah, that catfish.
Dead fish. Here's another bottle.
Are you sure that isn't a catfish? Yeah. There's something inside of it because it has a straw in it.
What
My
you wanna
net
do
is
stand right
longer.
here and lean forward and I'll hold your pigtails. Where are you getting the onions?
It's crazy the things we've pulled out of the water.
Harder than me. Can you help me, please? Ugh. What are you trying to get, Liberty? I saw a fish underneath our boat.
But you might be able to do this. Bring it
Dad
closer.
can get it.
Where'd it go? It shows up again.
Ah! Don't shake it.
All kinds of stuff while we're in here.
There's little fish eating out all algae on this boat.
Is there?
There's tiny little fishies.
That are eating the algae?
I accidentally scared them away.
What the heck is going on back here? Hey, Xanadu.
Xanadu? What does that mean? Oh, this thing? It's so hot in here that sweat is running down into my eyes and it burns.
What are you doing?
I am dismantling the bathtub because, well, we bought 2 very expensive composting toilets. And we thought that we measured right, but we didn't, and it won't actually fit in this space over here. It's not, it won't fit width-wise. So, I mean, honestly, a bathtub on a sailboat, it's kind of dumb and a really big, large waste of space. I'd rather have a washing machine in here, frankly. So I'm taking this apart and we're going to remodel this bathroom. And Todd thinks that this is a ridiculous project, so I'm the one doing it, so he can do more important things. The laundry.
Like laundry.
The screw's in a different place in this one. Oh my word. It's very, very hot. It actually doesn't feel particularly hot until you're like working. And I'm soaking wet. And it's kind of gross. But I have 2 big pieces off. And they are basically covering the attachment to the tub. So as soon as I can get the other 2 trim pieces off, you're going to see one right here, and it goes around that side. Those are the pieces, so I have to reach across the tub to get to, and it's at an awkward angle to see what's going on. So I might have stripped a screw. Todd's gonna be totally annoyed with me because I'm not sure how to get it out. But anyways, once we get that off, we should be able to unfasten the tub and pick it up and drag it out to the dumpster. Yay! Okay, back to work.
Sorry about the poor camera angle. Being my own cameraman isn't as easy as I thought it would be.
Where is the bucket that has the vacuum on it?
It's in the back, behind the door.
Is that full?
Nope. Is Dad back?
We went to the blue one.
No, but I needed.
Oh, we went to get shrimp.
Oh, you did?
Me and Dad were there.
Which screw are you talking about over there?
That one and that one there. I cannot get it out.
Oh, that's fun now. Totally stripped now. Go easy on him. Don't, if it starts to strip.
I stopped! I did stop!
I heard it. I thought, it's stripped.
Alright, see these? We save those because they're stainless steel and we can use them somewhere else. Alright, so apparently I did strip out 1, 2, 3 of those bolts and tubs using an easy out if he can get himself a pair of ice grips to get it out. I'm not sure why they call it an easy out because apparently it's an easy. Those are all the things I removed. So I've only had a problem with 3 of them. I think I'm doing pretty good. Coming out?
It's turning, but it's not coming out. There's no head left now.
I told you it was rusty.
Cut the head off now. Okay, you just saw what I did, right? I got other projects to do.
I can't do
Fix
this.
your own problems.
It's Todd. I just get a crowbar.
That's gonna ruin more stuff.
Well, it's not like I need this.
That one you might have to loosen the jaws because you're probably gonna tap on the head more.
Or the head just comes off.
Yeah.
Alright.
Are you ready? Oh my gosh, look at that. There we go. That's one damn screw in that corner.
It is that
And you
damn
get a pry bar
screw.
behind it?
I don't know if I can get it. There it goes. Ha! I did it!
Okay. Now, this would be a good time to lay your bets. Because we have this bathtub has to go out,
Some really tiny doors.
this door, and that hole. So, lay your bets now. What kind of odds are we giving them? I don't know what the odds are. I don't know anything about betting.
I don't either.
But I'm going to say, be very careful with this because if we have to cut the bathtub in half to get it out, you lose. So, think very carefully.
I think that could be a real problem.
Is it going to go? That's the question. Okay.
Now what?
Well,
Get everything out of
we have to
there.
get everything out of here.
Well,
vacuum out,
we
clean
can't
it out.
actually get out here. And
Get all that crap
should
moved.
we just like take a measurement before we start?
What, and spoil the bets?
Those are so rusty. They're just gonna break.
How much hair do you think is in the bottom of this drain? Do we want to place some more bets?
No, I don't want to place any more bets. Hey, you catch another fish?
No. But you said at 4. We'll get ice cream. And it's 4 only. 4 only.
As soon as we get this bathtub out, we'll go get some ice cream, and I will even have ice cream too.
All right.
Pry bar?
Maybe. That's a pry bar. This is not a drill. This is a pry bar.
Well, that came off.
The wrong piece came
Oh,
off.
there's some hair.
Oh, gross. Can you imagine though? That's all
There.
that's all that was holding that on the bottom was silicone. There's nothing else holding it to anything.
Guess
That's
I figured it
crazy.
would just go in the dirt bilge.
I guess.
I mean, this is way exciting. Like in one day, we got the bathtub out. It doesn't weigh very much. I might be able to even do it myself. What would that be like?
You're full. Why are you taking that out?
We're taking it out because our toilet doesn't fit with the bathtub in here. Oh look, it goes out. And I didn't even have to wait for Dad.
All right, you want me to try to grab some up here?
Yep.
You know, if you touch the bottom of it, you're going to get fiberglass on your legs and clothes. It's going to be itchy. So try to touch as little of it as you can. Okay, set it down right here. All right, you ready?
Ouch. I just put this.
Now be careful, there's a couple screws in it.
Set it right over here.
Should have warned you before that.
Set it right here. Over. Over. We can walk past.
Welcome to Everything Outdoors. Earlier, a catfish decided to hook onto the hook, and then I pulled him out, and he did a backflip back into the water. But watch this. Come here. I have a big shrimpy here. You slowly put it in the water like that. Watch. You can see them here, and Mommy, you can see them here. And sometimes they'll bite the hook. You can use them as bigger bait. They get my thing. I've caught one of them, and then kind of caught a catfish.
All right, let's get ready for ice cream. Well,
It's gone.
now the question is, do we tear out the rest of it or just this?
This has to go. As far as the floor, I don't know. Yeah. Yep. All right, babe.
Now I gotta pull that out.
Pull it out.
Back here. I have a new idea.
What?
I had an idea.
What is that?
Well, this is actually really big. Do you have your tape measure on you? You do. 6 feet. It could be a bed. This could be a cabin.
This is my what? Face.
Well, it could be.
Yeah, but then where do you poo? I mean, you know, and shower.
Well, we have another bathroom.
Oh, but you were just telling me we couldn't do it with just one bathroom. That was your whole reason you ripped out the tub.
Well, yeah.
This could be the master bedroom because it also has its own bathroom. You just gotta put your pillow on the toilet.
They do that in the RV life, van life stuff where the toilet goes under the bed.
Yeah.
Okay. It doesn't have to be a cabin, but like it's big enough to be a cabin.
Pretty big room. Pretty big room. All right. Back to work.
Okay, I need to sweep this floor.
Yeah, I'll get your broom here. Here's that thing. All right. Show it to your mother.
Look at this guy. He's making noises like a flip-flop when it's wet.
Yeah.
Go in your room. I want a picture. Whoa!
Hold still, buddy.
No! Abby stole my fishing spot because I caught a catfish.
Nice. So that's 2 for both of you?
No, one catfish for both of us. but 2 fish for me and 3 fish for Abigail.
Okay.
Pray.
No, I did it.
Recovering. Awesome job.
All right, so that is done.
All right.
This has screws sticking through that
Set
side.
that up there. You want me to set it up there?
Outside?
You go up outside and get it?
Yeah. Todd hasn't gotten much done today. He had to help me with my project and he's helped the kids with their fishing project. But you know what? It feels great. Ooh,
Do what?
it's really bright.
Yeah. That's because in Texas, the sun is up 24 hours a day in your face, on your head, melting, burning, screaming, hot, scorching. Ugh.
These kids are fish catching machines today. They think they might be able to keep this one. Let's go see.
Liberty caught a catfish. But he's really strong. I could barely pull him in.
Abigail had caught this one just before Liberty caught hers. Turns out it was a baby redfish and they let it go.
We know what he is.
You can do that if you want. You can walk him over
Walk
there
him
and
over
see.
there and ask him.
Okay.
Know what kind of fish he is.
Liberty,
and if
come
he's
on.
good to eat.
Can you watch the poles?
Let's just put more shrimp on the hook. That's like 2.
Oh, funny.